Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 4 students. I hope you all are fine. Now open your science book page number 76. First we will recite a dua and then we will start our lesson. Rabbi zidni ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. Now we start our new chapter, heat. Heat is basically a form of energy. As we know, the sun is our main source of heat. It means we get most of energy from sun. Some people think that heat and temperature mean the same thing, but they are different from each other. First, we discuss about atoms and then we will talk about temperature. Now, we will discuss about topic all matter is made of atoms. Everything that has weight and occupies space is called matter. All living things such as birds, animals and plants and all the non-living things such as chair, tables, balls, air and water are matter. All these things have these own weight and takes up space. Okay, let's learn more about the matter. The amount of space matter takes up is called its volume. Basically, matter is made up of tiny invisible particles called atom. These particles are so small that we cannot see them with our eyes. Millions of these particles join together to form a bird or a chair. These particles keep moving all the time. Some particles move faster and some move more slowly. It means different particles have different speed. When we heat an object, its particles start moving faster. The space between atoms increases. When we cool an object, its particles move more slowly. It means particles don't move with the same speed. Some particles move faster and some move slowly. Now we will move to our topic, temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold something is. We use thermometer to measure temperature. It is the measure of average energy of particles. Temperature doesn't depend on the size of the object. For example, a cup of water and a bucket of water can have the same temperature. Okay, so we learn heat and temperature are two different things. Two objects at the same temperature can have different amount of heat energy. Which of these do you think have more energy? A glass of water in direct sunshine, or B, a glass of water in the freezer compartment of a refrigerator? Answer is option A, a glass of water in direct sunshine, because molecules in water move faster than molecules in cold water, which means warm water has more energy than cold water. Now we move to our next topic. Heat is basically a form of energy. Heat flows from hot objects to cool objects. It flows from one object to another because of their differences in temperature. When the cool object absorbs energy and becomes warmer. Thermal energy is the energy that comes from heat. A cup of hot tea has thermal energy in the form of movement of its particles. Some of thermal energy is transferred to the particles in the cold milk that we add to make the tea cooler. So, today we discussed about matter, temperature and heat. Inshallah, we will continue our chapter heat in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.